Hey, love you guys. Go is here, and today we're back with Minecraft. Like normally, I'm never taking my video ideas, never. Anyway, y'all see that on the left side? Yeah. Give me a minute. Give me 1 minute. Give me a second, guys. Give me a little second. I should got this off camera, but it's too late. But it doesn't matter, right? Can I just get this little Bible? I might get the. I'll get this one. There we go. That's all we got. Flash game mode survival. Now, guys, today let me cover it. Wait, I forgot to break this. Hold on. What's hot offhand? But remember guys, I told you I'll play the One Piece mod of this thing, guys. I made it. Well, today we're playing it. Today I'll go with max out adult fruit. Let me hard enough. It should be easy enough, right? Right? That's one challenge for us. The second challenge is to get armor at the end of the video. I'm gonna try to defeat Raid. Should I try to fight him? I'm gonna try, guys. I'm gonna try to fight him. I'm gonna try. Oh my life, this might not work. I didn't know sword then. I don't know if I could beat him. Okay, 3, 2, first after the video if I die. 3, 2, 1, go. Jump. If I die, it'll be first after the video and we gotta start over again. No. I pressed something. I think I just pressed something. Yes! Ain't drop nothing. No. Are you? Oh no. I'm running, guys. I'm running. Oh, he got up. Wait, give me that sword. I need that sword. I should stop. That's my fault. Oh my god, first death. Chopper. 2020 chopper. Sunny. Yes! Yeah. Oh my god, I got the sword. And yes, if I die, then I gotta look for my dough fruit. And I'll go create and find it. It's not the best mod if you're really bad at Minecraft. Like I am acting like I'm really bad right now. I'm really not. I don't think ahead of myself. I don't think ahead. Oh. Making a Minecraft video? Making a Minecraft video! It's okay. Oh my god, I can do this. I put 2 hours with. Yeah, I got my food. Oh, look down. I need some wood. It's gonna be like a second for y'all. I don't know. 3, 2. Now, yeah. I gotta remind that. What the? Yeah, my goal is to get a sword at this point. No, not really. That's not really my goal. That's not a sword. My goal. Oh my god! I just saw something over here. Where they at? If I had to fight Marines, I'm gonna cry. I'm not fighting Smoker or any other Marine. Oh my god. Please? Marines don't attack you if you're not pirates. So that's why I didn't pick nothing yet, because I'm not trying to die. Then it's now you cannot craft the swords. They get dropped or they you can just buy them. And I'm not trying to buy none. So I'm gonna do the hallway and just try to get some. Yes. Now I won't have a sword, guys. You know what? Let's do this. Now, guys, chucking did a lot of damage, I think. Not that many damage, I guess. Why did you say my mic working? Aiming was a bad idea. This. The girl going on me. I don't care about that. So, y'all know how you have devil powers, right? Those are powers that every devil does have. Well, look at this. Bam. Bam. One sword style. Haircut. Let's go. Oh, Luffy's right there too. I gotta be careful. I should back up. Alright. Oh. How much you want me to call? I should have backed up. I'm laying on the ground. I'm stopping here. How long are these again? Oh my god. Guys, I better cram this man. I wanted to try that. Why did I do so much damage to my friend? Oh! I forgot he had double powers too, guys. I'm not facing Luffy right there because he has really good. I have his double right now. I'm backing up at the same time though, so I can fight him without. So I just pop a golden carrot. That kind of helped. This is gonna take a while. 4, 3, 2, 1. Just die. Oh no! I'm gonna die. Yeah, if I have armor, they do a lot of damage. Yes! No. And no at the same time. I can't do nothing. I'll be back. Don't ask how long this took. Don't ask. I'm in creative mode. Yeah, I forgot I was in creative mode. To just kill some things to help me a little bit more. How long creative want to kill these guys? Just in there. Should I give you that? Oh my god. They're gonna upgrade me for a little bit more, but it's good for now, guys. Yep, it's good. Let's go. We just upgraded. It's said fruit, guys. Fruit. Y'all know I'm going with this. I'm gonna just do this. Oh. God dang it. I don't know. Okay. I knew it was some more, but at this point, I can't be. I'm becoming a pirate. Yeah, I think I'm becoming a pirate, guys. I defeat so many Marines, so many pirates at the same time. Press pirate. All of them at the same time. Crap. Human. Now I am a pirate. It's like I'm a Yonko. I could be defending Navy and a pirate at the same time. You know, I'm not gonna risk it. I'm sorry, I got to create mode for a second. Let's get the rest of these. Half of each. Let's go white and half of each. You could get a whole stacking up here. You'll see. Not enough, right? No. It really is super powerful. I need at least 4 armor. Right out here now. And all these skills to beat him. Look at this, guys. This is how strong this door is right now. I barely did damage to this man. And he's doing half a heart. I don't know how much damage I'm doing right now. I'm not gonna lie. I actually don't know how much. I'm doing like 3 hearts. No. 2 hearts. 2 hearts. Oh, he's gonna push me in the water. Oh, no. I need to eat. I need to eat. Oh, wait, I need water more. That's how strong Zoro is, though. It's hockey right now. I don't think I need no hockey in this world. But let me give me a minute, guys. Give me a minute. Get out of here! Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Shifting. He's not getting damage, guys. The game is lagged. That's how serious it's getting. That's how serious it's getting, guys. The game is lagging from this fight. But bruh. But get out of here. But. Oh my god. I need to eat. Shifting. Yeah. See? That's how much damage he does. So we better summon Rayleigh 100% and see what happens. But and Ray, let's go! Yes! Let's go! We won! Drop a like for more!